Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your premium plan on Canva website. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First thing first, we need to go to our Canva website. After that, make sure that you are logged in to your account. Then we need just to go to the subscription place or subscription page on our account. To do so, you need just to click on your account here in this profile picture. You click, and then we need just to go to the settings. By going to the setting, we will find many categories, and we are interested in the payments category or the payment menu. So as you can see here, there is the purchase history and the buy-in and plans. We need just to go to buy-in and plans, and then you will find all your subscription here. So basically, whenever you have a subscription, you will find it here, but I'm using only a Canva free. And if you don't know, and if you have the Canva Pro, you can just cancel the subscription by clicking on the three dots you will find here, and you can cancel your subscription. So basically, this is an image showing how your plans are going to show on your Bilingual plans page. So basically here you can have the change plan, or you can find these three dots icon. You click on it and here you will find the cancel trial icon or button. You click on the cancel trial and then you will have your Canva Pro that will be canceled automatically. So basically, this is how you can cancel your Canva Pro on the Canva website in as few steps and simply. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.